Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my December Gramma in a Box subscription, which contains everything you need to make some delicious holiday little treats with your kids. So we have a holiday themed box. We have hot chocolate buddies, crispy peppermint bites, and then the third project is always cookies. So I'll just show you the inside real quick, and then I'll insert footage of us actually putting this stuff together because the kids love to help. We have some marshmallows, some chocolate melts, red sprinkles, crushed up candy canes, green sprinkles, some little chocolate candies, white sprinkles, Christmas color sprinkles, pretzels, green, red, and white frosting for our cookie decorating, some candy canes to make that first project, and then our cookies we have snowflakes, ornaments, little holly leaves, and Christmas trees. So super fun. Here we go. We'll go insert the footage of the kids helping. So the first project was my favorite. They're little candy cane dippers. So I put the candy cane in some chocolate, stuck it through the marshmallow, and you're going to let that set up. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes. And Raylan snagged a candy cane when I wasn't looking, so we have a casualty. But this still made pretty many. And when you get done with all those, you're going to take the bottom of the marshmallow and dip it in the chocolate. And then you could roll it in some of the candy little sprinkles and let those dry. And they're little hot chocolate dippers, which is perfect because Jackson was sick this week. And all he wants when he's sick is hot chocolate. So the candy cane kind of clips on the side of the cup and melts in the hot chocolate. It's awesome. So with the leftover chocolate, I dumped about half of the crushed up candy cane in there and gave it a quick mix. And you're supposed to put a little dollop of chocolate on each. We had quite a lot of chocolate left over since we only dipped the bottom of the marshmallows. Technically, you could really dip it like halfway probably. But I'm going to put a dollop of chocolate on there, and then there's these little Christmas colored chocolate balls that you can put on top. And then, of course, you can add sprinkles to it if you want. And then the last project is always the cookies. I decided to decorate the tree, and this icing was perfect flood consistency, which means I could just kind of sloppily ice it and it will kind of flood and fill in all the gaps and look like I spent more time on it than I actually did. But before it dries, you want to go ahead and decorate it. So I'm just going to add some sprinkles to it. We always give Raylan a cookie, but I wasn't paying attention because I'm trying to film and decorate. And she's going to each cookie and like putting a red dab on it. She loves this box. She knows what it looks like. And when she sees it, she screams, cookies, cookies, cookies. She loves it. Definitely her favorite thing. So here's our little treats. And if you guys want to sign up for a subscription, I will have all the information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.